Classe, Shawn Mendes est un garçon ou une fille? Garçon ou fille?
Garçon.
Oui, classe, garçon en anglais. Oui, c'est un garçon. Et il aime, regardez classe, il aime voyager. Voyager. Regardez. Il aime voyager. Et moi aussi, moi, j'adore voyager en avion. Et il voyage beaucoup. Classe, regardez. Shawn Mendes va à Toronto. Il va à Los Angeles. Et il va où? Amsterdam. Et aussi Sydney. Et aussi la Jamaïque. Oui, donc il voyage beaucoup. Et classe, voyage en anglais.
Voyage. Across the sky.
Travel.
Voyage across
Travel. Applaudissez Harry. Bien. Look, Shawn Mendes, je suis, il dit. Okay, Shawn Mendes dit, je suis accro au voyage. Ça veut dire qu'il adore voyager. Alors, classe, regardez ici, Toronto. Oui, regardez, Toronto. D'origine canadienne, Shawn adore le plat typique du pays, la poutine. Alors, regardez la poutine. C'est délicieux.
The food.
Mhm.
It's delicious.
Oui, bien. Et alors, la poutine, c'est un plat typique du Canada. C'est une nourriture typique du Canada.
He loves eating Canadian food.
Mhm. Cette nourriture, la poutine, it's kind of like French fries with a certain type of sauce. Donc, c'est typique du Canada. Mhm. Bien. Et classe, regardez ici, à Los Angeles. Shawn habite en Californie. Il enregistre ses disques dans son studio ici. Alors, classe, enregistre, il y a un astérisque. Est-ce que vous voyez l'astérisque? Oui. Alors, ici, ça veut dire que ici, classe, il y a un glossaire. Il y a un glossaire ici. Oui? Regardez le glossaire ici. Alors, enregistre. Oui, enregistre. Oui.
Oui.
Oh, yeah. Oui. Alors, regardez la phrase. Shawn habite en Californie. Il enregistre ses disques dans son studio ici. Classe, regardez la phrase. Shawn habite en Californie.
He lives in California.
Oui, he lives. Applaudissez Natalie. Natalie. Bien. So how did you know that means that he lives?
Well, how do you say?
Habite?
It looks like habitat, and habitat's where something lives.
Exactly. Good job, Natalie. That's very, very good job. So when you're reading in French, some words are going to be somewhat similar to English, and that can help you figure out the meaning of that word. And also, guys, look at this page, these 2 pages. What else can help you figure out the meaning of words?
Glossary.
The glossary, what else?
The pictures.
The pictures, right? Look, voyage. Maybe if there were no pictures here, you wouldn't know what maybe plat typique means, or maybe voyage, even though it looks like voyage. But because you're seeing this globe and the plane and different places, right? It can help you. All right, so let's read about Amsterdam. Regardez ici, classe. Amsterdam. As I read, please keep your word and your finger on each word that I'm reading, okay? So, Amsterdam. Sean adore la capitale de la Hollande. Il aime tous les vélos. Alors, bien, classe, maintenant regardez la photo. Ça, c'est Amsterdam. Et ici, il y a un vélo. Ça, c'est un vélo. D'accord? Alors, Sean adore la capitale de la Hollande. Classe, question. Quelle est la capitale de la Hollande?
Oh, Amsterdam.
Oui, bien sûr. Et Sean Mendes, adore, il aime tous les vélos. What does that mean?
Bikes.
But what does il aime mean?
Not bikes. What's the bike next to bike?
He likes all of the bikes because in Amsterdam there are a lot of bikes. People buy a lot. Bien. Let's look at la Jamaïque. Oui? Let's just skip that one. Let's just look at la Jamaïque. So keep your finger on the word that I'm reading. Oui? La Jamaïque. Jamaïque.
Yeah.
Mhm. Sean veut aller ici avec sa mère car elle aime le soleil. Alors, maintenant regardez la photo. What do you think that means? Il veut aller ici avec sa mère car elle aime le soleil. Even if you don't understand everything, it doesn't matter. What do you think this is talking about?
John, he likes hanging out with his mom. His mom lives in Jamaica. He's from Jamaica. He likes the beaches of Jamaica, and he likes to go to the beaches of Jamaica with his mom.
He likes to travel with his family to Jamaica.
Look, he wants to go to Jamaica with who?
Mom.
With his mom because she likes le soleil. Regardez, le soleil. Oui, elle aime le soleil. Moi, j'adore le soleil. Et vous? Tu aimes?
Depends.
Ça dépend?
Depends.
Yes, so.
Ça dépend. So soon, not soon actually, maybe in December or maybe January. Well, January won't be here. Well, maybe in December we'll start reading a little bit in the beginning of class. Like you can pick what you're going to read, and this is one of the things that you can read. This is a magazine for students of the French language, so there are a lot of pictures, there are glossaries, and this way you can actually understand most of the things that are written here. And the good thing about magazines is that if you don't really want to start with a chapter book, if you want to start with something more simple, this is an option for you. Who thinks that they prefer magazines over chapter books in French? Raise your hand. Do you think you prefer to read a magazine or a chapter book?
Chapter book.
A magazine.
Magazine and chapter book. Yes, so each person is different, and maybe you want to get both, and then when you sit down, you actually decide which one you want to read. So there are more magazines over there. James, can you please put them all back there? Merci.
I was doing it last night the other day.